In this video, I'll be showing you how to send large videos on Gmail. It's a very easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on anything, whether you're on iPhone, Android, or a PC or desktop. We have a separate video specifically for phone though. So what you want to go ahead and do is go over to Gmail and you can open up any browser of your choice. Now, once you're here, all you got to go ahead and do is firstly what I could do is I can attach files from right here if I wanted to. What I could also do is I can just drag and drop something from my desktop. So we'll just drag and drop this. I think this is almost like 4 gigabytes. So normally it wouldn't let you send it, right? But if I drop the file here, as you can see, it says your file is larger than 25 megabytes. It will be sent as a Google Drive link. So all I want to do is just wait for this to finish because it's going to be sent as a Google Drive link. So whenever anyone receives the email, they're going to basically just be able to click on it. It's going to open up another tab for Google Drive, but they're going to be able to view the video without having to download it as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.